This is a McLaren 12C accumulator, and they're pretty expensive. Now, somebody had been posting on the internet that you can get these from Germany for a fraction of the cost. And they fit and everything's great. But I have my doubts. So I had to order some myself and find out. Now, the only thing I've done is cut this box open. I have not actually looked at these yet. So we're going to look at one and see how does it compare to this one. This is what I was afraid of. It is heavier, a little bit, not a lot. This one does have some fluid in it still. I can weigh them, but it is definitely heavier. Here's the other problem. You might notice that it's longer. That's a problem. I'll show you why. So that kind of tells me these won't fit. And the other problem is getting the thread to actually go. It's very, very small. And if you notice, the weld is right up there. I don't know that you can get a wrench on this to actually tighten that. Maybe you can. But yeah, these are not going to work. They say they're going to work. They're not going to work. Case closed.